wake up, the sun is rising, the day is here for us to take and run with all our might, to catch the light, to be alive. Come on, come on, come on, take my hand and bring your dreams along. See the wonderful all around, get lost, get found, color and sound. We're all spinning on blue, watching the same clouds. Ooh, breathing in, breathing out.
Woo! Yes! This is good! Oh my god! Yo! What is up, guys and girls? Welcome back to KickstandUp! Yo! I'm having such a great day today, and you know what? I want to let you know that I regret not learning Adobe Premiere earlier because I was a hardcore die-hard fan of like photography, but not video. I was like insisting on photography. Whoa, it's so cool. I mean, like, photography is nice. I don't need Premiere. But now I somehow got into video, like vlogging, motovlog, and I'm so lost. I import my files to Premiere, and then I don't know what to do with it. Like, everything is a mess. It's so messy. I mean, like, there's a lot of buttons and options that I don't know what is what. I don't even know how to cut the video at first. I mean, I struggled a lot lah. So I had a friend that studied mass comm, which is my best friend, Lai, and he taught me the basic ones of how to use Premiere, and then the timeline, what is keyframes and this and that. And so he helped me out lah. My first video that I used Premiere was the one that I went to OBS, Orange Bike Shop, and changed my clutch kit. That was the first video that I used Premiere. Other than that, I mean, the previous one I've been using iMovie because it's like dead simple. Yeah, and also I've been watching Casey Neistat's vlog and Jessie from Prank vs Prank, or Boyfriend vs Girlfriend, as you all know. They broke up, I think about a year ago. Oh man, Jessie's vlog is crazy also. You know what? I'll put the links in the description. It's nuts, you know, like when you see how you don't really appreciate the effort that they put in until you yourself are shooting a video and putting everything together. And then you realize how much time do they have to spend on doing that. There's a lot of work, you know. It's not easy, seriously. I give them like shit ton of respect right now. I thought it was like, okay, you can maybe use 2-3 hours to compile everything. I don't think so. For now, I don't think so. Right now, I don't think so, because it's a lot of work, man. Like let's say if I vlog today, I think it's gonna take me like 3 hours to 3 hours to edit it. Yeah, I think it's gonna take me like 3 hours because I'm no expert. I'm still learning. That's why I say I regret not learning Premiere earlier, because it's such a great tool. I've watched review about Premiere, Vegas Pro, Final Cut Pro, this and that, like a few softwares. But I think okay lah, Premiere might not be the easiest one to learn, but I think at the end of the day, when you are good at it, very useful lah, because there's a lot more things you can do with Premiere than Vegas or other software. Okay, thank you. I mean, if you are really expert in it lah, then Premiere I think is the way to go. Or Final Cut Pro, I don't know. These are like the two big rivals. Right now, what I really want to learn and improve is like cinematic videos, B-rolls, introduction, and you know, all those like cool stuff lah. Because vlog is just a action cam on my helmet. Can't really do much with it other than playing with angles and color corrections, and that's I think pretty much lah for action cam, unless there's someone very creative that reset the benchmark again of motovlogging. Oh, that's Duke 200. I'm just really inspired on, like, first is their editing skills. I mean Casey Neistat and Jesse. These are the two vloggers that I discovered lah. I mean, there are still many other vloggers that is really good, but I just haven't discovered because I'm not really a vlog person. I mean, I don't really watch people's vlog. Their editing is really good. That's one thing. But second is their content ah. Like, it really hooked me, you know. Like, I watch one video and then I want to watch another one, and I want to watch another one, and another one, another one. And that is, I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they think of contents like that. I'm also struggling to have good not to say have good content lah, but like, okay, let's say this week, what am I gonna shoot? So I just come out and write, try to think of things. If not, then I will prepare myself like 2 days before, and I'll think about, okay, what I want to shoot. Not 2 days before lah, like a few days before. And oftentimes I write down a list and I put it on my table, so whenever I feel like what I want to vlog, and then I just do it lah. Like today, because I'm really inspired from the videos, the contents that Casey Neistat and Jesse did, the kind of content, the kind of video, it's really crazy though. I want to be as good as them. I hope I can. I'm gonna grind, I'm gonna learn. Better late than never, right? So that's pretty much about today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell me if there are any tips and tricks for Premiere, because I'm very lost at it. Not lost lah, I mean I'm still lost a bit, and yeah, there's a lot for me to improve. Thank you guys, see you all next week, and ciao.